Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I bring to you a few nature inspired handcrafted dot art fridge magnets. These magnets are sure to transform your everyday spaces into vibrant showcases of color and creativity. Each piece is a miniature work of art meticulously crafted using the art of dot painting to depict dreamlike landscapes, celestial skies, and natural wonders. This diverse collection features enchanting scenes such as a sun drenched mountain valley under a starry sky, a mystical moonlit sea with guiding lighthouse, serene trees in bloom, and sunset cradled in hills, and so many more. If you like the collection, feel free to DM us or order online on the web store. Thank you.